Uthi Mamanzi ubani owasishintsha ungubo kaShaka English because before besi-enjoyed but now sewaba usuku nje. Indaba yosuku lukaShaka, that's another topic for another day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Into enzima leyo. Now amanye ama-questions sengibheka wokugcina-ke manje. Uthi nje Muslims are doing their thing here in Dubai and they respect isikhathi sabo somthandazo. Imaphi-ke nje amagama mhlawumbe okugcina ongabatshela abantu, especially relating to indaba ye-COVID, bese ngicela futhi usitshele ukuthi njengoba abantu bethi abafuni bona ukusebenzisa mhlampe nje amakhambi njengomhlonyane, iyiphi advice ongasinika yona, bona balinde iphanate ezovela kumlungu?
Okay, firstly, isikhathi lesi se-COVID-19 lesi i-lockdown lesi si-experience-ayo sonke sithe masingena kuyo saba confused ukuthi kwenzakalani. Wonke umuntu wayithatha ngendlela ethile. Bengishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi mina kwavele kwacaca ukuthi le journey bekade ngiyihamba all along ibi-leader to this. Ngoba kwavele kwaswitcha, mina ngumuntu usually opanicayo, ngumuntu by now I would have had angazi how many panic attacks by now. Because ngumuntu ophanika kakhulu, ngumuntu ostressa kakhulu about izinto, because I'm a single mom and I've got 5 children to take care of. But kunalokho ngavele ngaba calm ngenye indlela, la endlini sakhuleka ngenye indlela nabantwana. Ngabuye ngahlala la ngakhuluma nogogo, ngakhuleka ngaba calm. Wafika nokhokho wakhuluma nabantwana at the beginning of i-lockdown, wakhuluma nabantwana ebatshela ukuthi all is well, all is going to be well, things will be even better masidlulile lento. This is a spiritual period. This is a transitioning time for everyone. Wonke umuntu owake wazi ukuthi khona into ekuthiwa spiritual well-being uzokwazi ukuthi yini ufile khama, yini ungathuki. Ingoba ukukhuleka kwakho kuyakwembulela, kuyacacisela ukuthi first of all this period is not in our control, it is in no one's control. Akekho umuntu ozofika athi khona i-answer kusasa, asazi sonke. But we still need to stay at home like we are staying at home. We need to cover our faces should we step outside. We need to sanitize izandla zethu neindawo esikuzo sanitize. We need to take care of indawo zethu, our living areas, clean hard areas, amatafula wasule ngedomestos, wasule anything that is ebulala amagciwane. We need to make sure ukuthi we follow wonke ama-regulations abekwe uhulumeni, because asinayo enye answer. Uma ngabe ke siza ngapha ekuphiliseni ngokwesintu, kukhona izinto vele bezikade zikhona. Umhlonyana nje, I was surprised ukuthi how kambe umhlonyana kade mina ngangiwusebenzisa ukuthi ngoba sekubukhuni ukuthi ngihambe ngemakethe ngiyoyithengela amakhambi, anginawo. But ngisesegoli umhlonyana ngangihamba ngeFaraday every time, every month ngihambe ngiyothenga ijumbana zomhlonyana, ngubilise ngufake emabhodleleni. Mangabe kungena isikhathi somkhuhlane, izingane ziphila ngomhlonyana. Izingane ziphila ngomhlonyana ngobani na? Umhlonyana uvula isifuba, udila nayo yonke into ehambelana ne-respiratory system, isystem yamaphaphu system, yonke into enokuphefumula phakathi, ama-lungs ayaclearisheka uma usebenzisa umhlonyana. Ugquma ngawo, uphuza, uchatha ngawo, yonke into ehambelana negazi umhlonyana uyayilungisa, ulungisa igazi, uvula isifuba, imithambo lese esifubeni. Abantu abane-asthma mabesebenzisa umhlonyana bayaphila. Abantu abane-bronchitis, nje izifo ezi-related nesifuba, neyilonda esifubeni, umhlonyana udila nazo zonke lezo zinto. So ngikhumbulile kuthiwa umhlonyana nakho kuthiwa uyasiza during this time. Ngathi na how lento kade ngisho ngithi mina kuthiwa Africa is the cradle of humankind. Ngaze ngathi yey nansi answer izobuya eAfrica, nanti izwe na umhlaba uzohilwa yiAfrica, ngoba bona bacabanga ukuthi into fanele iphumelele, kanti mhlawumbe into yokuyiqeda yonke lento izophuma emva kwendlu. uNkulunkulu efuna ukunikhombisa ukuthi lo muntu omnyama kade nanimbukela phansi uyi-answer-ke namhlanje nonke nidiphendele kuyena. Nathi ithe iyaqhamuka ngapha eMadagascar bayayiqhelisa into. Ithe mayisifika ngapha elokhungeni eSouth Africa kuthiwa hayi umhlonyana, kukhulunywa umhlonyana. Wonke umuntu wahamba wemva kwendlu ayekho umhlonyana. Umhlonyana umile noma kuphi la. Nansi into ephilisayo izoqhamuka la. Abayishumayeli-ke kodwa, abayiqhakambisi-ke yomhlonyana, kodwa it makes sense ukuthi umhlonyana would help kulesi sikhathi ngoba vele kuthiwa yini i-respiratory system udila nayo umhlonyana.
Yebo. Nawo amanye amalokhuzana uthi omunye uSiphokazi Mahlambana, can you open a page motivating people with depression? Kade sisakhuluma nje nge-page lakho. A very good direction ukuthi ngoba uyasentertain ku-TV, uyazenza into ey'ningi, siyenza ama-skits, siyenzani. I think we need umuntu ozosilapha njengoba ukhuluma nje futhi i-page lakho singali-followisha sonke. Ususilapha
kanjalo. I'll start posting.
Kodwa ngicela-ke nje njengamanje engakabi active uDon ephejini lakhe sibe si-followisha uKing D.